Hey guys, it is day 3 of my 10-day challenge. Again, the whole goal of me starting this thing is to get better at pro mode. At the end of 10 days, I can fly in manual / acro. Day 2, the tutorials give you some helpful hints of what to do. It's actually when you do a race course is when you're actually applying what you do. The drone that they let you use for any of the tutorials is really difficult to use. Everything is just really sensitive, it's very floaty, but I guess the ideal is you have such a crappy drone to learn with, and then when you actually get to pick your drone, yeah, it comes apparent of like what you're learning actually applies. I'm about to get started, do 1 or 2 tutorials, and then jump into the races like I've been doing. I'll do these 2 today. Wish upon a star and search and destroy. Whoa, I'm already falling off. Whoa, what the heck? Whoa, I am literally a little bit. I'm still very twitchy on this thing, but you turn. Oh, come back. Oh, come on. Oh, fell down already. Come on, it takes so long for it. This one we are finding balloons, so we'll see how that goes. Oh my goodness, this is definitely not. There is one, and I missed it already. So I have 6 minutes to find balloons. Where the heck? Come on, go forward. That's all you gotta do is go forward. Oh my goodness. Come on. Definitely some courses are next to impossible, especially when you don't have any control, but all we can do is try. I think I'm gonna move on to the next course. The most I did in 6 minutes was getting 12 balloons. Maybe if I memorize where the balloons are, I'll get better at it. Make your way down, then up the garage ramps as fast as possible. Oh, okay. Learning how to do this. Okay. More roll. Teaching me to do things a little bit slower, but throttle with this drone is really hard. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, what happened? Oh, it took too long. I have 2 minutes to finish this. There's a favorite maps, so you can kind of add stuff to it. Those are my two primary ones. That's gonna be my baseline. I think this is the main one. I think I'll warm up with this one and then go to the other one. I've noticed when you up tilt as much, you don't have to work as hard when trying to get some. Maybe 35 is a little bit too steep for me. Oh. Cool. Oh my gosh. Is that better? 204.36, and on Monday I was at 243.25. So since Monday I have shaved off more than 40 seconds. Definitely happy about the results. 35 degrees up tilt, so just getting used to the speed. I definitely recommend experimenting. Let's try the really long one. Trying a slightly steeper angle, 25 degrees versus 20 degrees, which I normally do it at. Okay, just taking it easy. Just trying to turn. Ooh, just breathe. Throttle down. Up. Definitely. Oh. New favorite angle, I believe. Oh, good job. Now comes the technical part of the track here. And go around again. How do people do this, huh? Trying not to pitch back so much. It's like a knee-jerk reaction that I'm trying to get over. Oh, too much. Oh. Even with all that crashing, I still beat my old score from yesterday by 2 minutes. I'm at 840. And on Monday, I was at 1036. So definitely getting better. I notice every time I change the angle, it's like a whole new quad again. Trying to find that middle ground that works for all races. The more flat the course is, I can push myself to 30, 35 degrees. The dynamics are different when you have a different angle. So it's easier to take coordinated turns when you're at a steeper angle. These much tighter ones, 25 is probably the maximum I'll probably do it. Definitely gotta work on those turns, whipping it around the corners, and just staying calm. I kind of get stressed when I miss a turn or whatnot. And I try to follow the lines. I believe the line that they show is the most ideal one. Trying out a medium course right now. Yeah, might as well just push myself, see how technical a medium course is. You'll have to know tricks and whatnot. Oh, on the cliff. Oh, kind of went through the mountain there for a little bit. Oh my goodness, I was right there. Did it in 5:22. This is a medium level course. Ranked number 2? What? Okay, so this is called Smagoo Landscape Server. I like this one. 6, and this is at 35 degrees. Yeah, I think I'm just done for today. Thank you guys, and then I shall see you guys tomorrow on day 4.